This is Drone Effects. I am Claude, and I'm doing a review today on the DJI Mavic Air 2, which is right here. It's a crazy good drone. It flies well. It's super quiet. I got 4,400 feet away before I started losing signal with it today. I'm in a heavily polluted Wi-Fi area, and I think that was a lot of it. I'm going to try it this next weekend up in the countryside. But I got the Fly More combo, which comes with 2 batteries, the case, the charging bricks, and the controller. I really like it. My only thing I do not like is these. If you got big fingers, these are hard to get out. I have to use my car keys to get this out, get the sticks out. But other than that, it's not a bad drone. You pull this open like so. If I can get it on there. Oh, it's not going to cooperate. There we go. Right there, and there's your wire to plug in your cell phone. I use an iPhone, of course. You can see it right there. And your phone clamps right in here, and this is your antenna actually for it. And when you don't need this cable, there's a little holder in here, and it just kind of folds in. You tuck it in there, and you close it up, so it's no wires hanging out. So your camera mode, you got a button which is right here. You hit it once for video, once for camera, and down here is your button to turn the camera on and off. You don't have to literally touch the app now. You can just do it right with your button here. Your gimbal control is here, and this thing is just butter smooth in the way the gimbal works and the way that the drone responds to your in your flight. You know, it's like I say, it's my second flight. I'm going to incorporate. I did shoot some video with it today. I'm going to incorporate the video at the end of my review here. And feel free to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for future updates. And I'm going to probably do a series on this drone. And at this point, we're going to end the review portion of it, and I'm going to put up the video. So please enjoy the video, and thanks very much for listening in. And now you may enjoy the flight. as always, please, if you're interested in my channel, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future updates, and may God bless. Bye bye.